Hey, what's up everyone, this is Baljit from JK. Welcome on my channel. And this video we are going to repair water leak on toilet. As you can see, I have a water without flushing inside toilet and it keep running non-stop. So how you can fix this one if you have water leak inside, not like outside. Outside is different process, but if you have an inside, I show you what is reason. So if you go here, you take this cap off, and as you can see, we have this rubber inside. This rubber not sitting flat on top of that gasket. That one is gonna shut down water. So what we have to do, we have to change this one. To change this one, first we are going to shut down water. You shut down water, go here, and we're gonna take this one. Like here, we have this chain. We're gonna take a chain from this side. Then simply we're gonna remove this plastic piece. So we have to remove this one because when water we not flushed, without flushing, this is gonna go sit over here on top of this one. Which one gonna close water, but somehow the water is keep leaking through, so that means you're gonna change this one. If you have water leak outside your toilet on your bathroom, then probably there's gasket around, you have to fix that one, but we are focusing only this piece. I found this piece at Home Depot. It's a universal gasket for to replace for toilet tank. You can put on any toilet, it will fit to all. So now we're gonna take it out of the bag. It's like that, and it will go like that. So first we are going to put this plastic piece. It's little clips on the side. We just slide it in, and now we're gonna hang this chain here accordingly. So when you open, it's open, and when you close, it closes all the way. I turn water on and I put cover back. If you look at inside, there's no water leak, but there's a little bit of water because that's the way it's supposed to be. Let me show you what that is. If you see here, I have this pipe. This pipe I have water. This valve is filling this tank. Same time, it also pushing some water from here to clean out. So now I'm gonna wait till we finish tank and we're gonna find out if there is any water without flushing. Now I'm gonna put this cover back. We're gonna open this one. Now our tank is full and I didn't see any water leak around. Therefore, we have a lot of water all around the side because the gasket or the plastic piece we installed, it was leaking from the sides. That's the way you can fix water leak inside your toilet. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, please like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching.